So student, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So today we will discuss another new type of IUPAC naming of the compound. So here, look here, if all the like groups are not directly linked to the unbranched carbon chain, means here it is not like group. So here CHO aldehyde group, CHO aldehyde group, CHO aldehyde group and CHO aldehyde group. Look here, if all like groups are not directly linked to the unbranched carbon chain, so it is indirectly attached. It is not directly linked to this carbon chain. ಇದು ಈ CHO group ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ linked to the unbranched carbon chain. The carbon atoms at the two like groups here, this one and this one, this CHO and this CHO. So these two, look here, these two, this CHO and this CHO are directly attached to the parent chain or carbon chain, and these are included in the principal chain or carbon chain. So unbranched, the carbon atoms of the two like groups are included in the parent chain, while the third, which forms a side chain, is considered as a substituent. It is considered as substituent. It is considered as substituent because these are not directly attached. These are indirectly attached. So therefore, while naming such type of compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it is called as hex, single bond ANE. And here one that is at one end, because here it is nearest to this end, or you may take from this end, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 1, 2, 3 here, this end is nearest, and therefore it is hexane 1, 6 di Al 1 and 2, that is aldehyde group E is replaced by Al, E is replaced by Al, di Al, and then here it is CHO group is called as formyl. So it is a methyl, formyl methyl 3 means here for that is the third carbon, so 3 and this one 3 comma 3 bis means what? In inorganic chemistry, in complex compound, while we are naming the complex compound, we are using, instead of di, tri, tetra, we are using bis, tris, tetrakis, etc. You may use a di also here, but in the CET book or in NEET book, so this word is given. That's why I am using here. You may use the di also. So you may use a di also. So here it is bis, formyl methyl. Bis means 2. Remember, bis, tris, tris, tris means 3. And then tetrak is 4, pentak is 5, like this. So you may write 3 di, formyl methyl, hexane 1,6 diol. And then see here, same example, NH2CO, CH2, and then CONH2, that is, here it is amide group. Amide group is not directly linked to this carbon atom. Amide group is directly linked to this methyl group. Look here, and here also amide group is linked to the methyl group. And here only it is directly attached, and here the groups which are directly attached to the parent chain are included in the ring. So these are included in the ring 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is not a carbon. So 5, it is called as pentane, and 1, 5. So diamine. So it is CONH2 diamine. It is CONH2 diamine. And here it is, look here, it is carbamyl methyl. It is one type of naming compound. So students, almost all type of namings I have completed. Now let us see few CET questions and NEET questions. So here, look here students, few CET and NEET questions. So here chemistry NEET or CET online classes, here few questions I have, and these few questions let us see one by one. So it is the coaching part from your book, that is the material given in chemistry. So from chemistry material. So number 1, look here. Which one of the following is a non-benzonide aromatic compound? Non-benzonide. So non-benzonide aromatic compounds are classified into two types. One is benzonide. Benzonide means which are having aromatic, like aniline. So look here, it is aniline, NH2 number 1, and second one is benzoic acid. So here it is benzoic acid, COH, and third one naphthalene. So look here students, these three are called as aromatic compound. And here non-benzonide aromatic compound. Non-benzonide aromatic compound is tropolene. So this one tropolene is a non-benzonide. So how the tropolene structure, you know it. Tropolene structure is written like this. It is called as a non-benzonide. So fourth one answer is right. And here I have written all the three: aromatic, 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 aniline, benzoic acid, naphthalene, and then it is called as a tropolene. So tropolene is a non-benzonide. Is clear? Tropolene is a non-benzonide. So the answer is a fourth one. Then look here. Which of the following is example of heterocyclic aromatic compound? Heterocyclic, having different atoms where the carbon atoms are replaced. Again, you know that benzene. So benzene is written like this. And second one, this aniline. Aniline is written like this. So it is aniline. So then pyrrole, third one, pyrrole. Pyrrole, and then fourth one toluene. So here it is toluene. Look here students, which of the following is an example of heterocyclic aromatic compound? So heterocyclic means all are having carbon, and here it is the carbon atom is replaced by the different heteroatoms. Heteroatoms means the answer is here pyrrole. So the answer is pyrrole. So I have written all the structures here. So it is aromatic, it is aromatic, it is aromatic, it is heterocyclic. It is a pyrrole. Then the first organic compound was synthesized in the laboratory by, very simple question, basic question. It is Höller. Because you know that Höller is the first scientist who prepared the first organic compound. So I think you know the first organic compound. Which is the first organic compound? The first organic compound is urea. So when NH4CnO is heated to high temperature, it gives NH2CO, NH2. So it is called as urea. Urea is the first compound. So here Höller synthesized in the laboratory accidentally, not incidentally. So accidentally when ammonium cyanide is heated, it gives urea. Urea is the first organic compound. So then students here Kolbe. So you know that Kolbe, he synthesized acetic acid, and Berzelius, he explained only that vital force theory. So there is a vital force theory. And then Neil Bartlett, so he prepared methane. He prepared methane, and then it is vital force theory, and here it is urea, and Kolbe, so acetic acid. Look here students, these are the answers here. It is the answer. Then look here, the carbon-carbon bond angle in benzene is about. So in benzene, the carbon-carbon bond angle is 120 degree, and here 109 degree 28 minutes. It is a tetrahedral. It is found in methane. Look here, it is found in methane. It is 108 9 degree 28 minutes. and 180 linear. So which is linear? Ethine is linear. It is about ethine. And 120, so it is benzene. And 100 degree, so it is here the isomers. So it is the answer here. Benzene is the benzene. The carbon-carbon bond angle in benzene is about 120 degree. So it is 109 degree tetrahedral, 180 degree ethine, it is linear, and 120 is benzene. So it is the answer here. Look here, which of the following has maximum CH bond length? So here it is simple question, make a small correction. Here instead of this CH, you write CC bond length, carbon-carbon bond length. There is a small mistake in the book. So carbon-carbon bond length. So carbon-carbon bond length, what is carbon-carbon bond length in ethene? It is called as ethene. It is ethene. Ethene carbon-carbon double bond is there. And it is carbon-carbon double bond. So what is the bond length here? Carbon-carbon double bond. So we know that in carbon-carbon double bond, the bond length is, so at the beginning class only I explained, here it is near about here 134 picometer. It is 134 picometer. And it is ethine carbon-carbon triple bond. Look here, it is carbon-carbon triple bond. Here, what is the carbon-carbon triple bond here? 120 picometer. And carbon-carbon single bond, so it is 154 picometer. And benzene, carbon-carbon 139 picometer. It is intermediate between this double bond and triple bond. Look here, student, which of the following has maximum carbon-carbon bond length? Yes, look here, I have written all the answers also. Then which one is, you imagine. So which one is there? Yes. So here it is 120, 134, and here the answer is 154 picometer. Very simple. Then look here. The cylindrical shape of alkyne is due to 3 sigma, that is bond, carbon bond. So here it is the cylindrical shape of alkyne. Look here, students, alkyne I will write here. It is alkyne. Alkyne means I will take an example of ethine. Ethine. It is cylindrical shape. I will write its shape. Look here, it is a cylindrical shape, linear, and the cylindrical shape is, here it is 1 sigma bond and here it is 2 pi bonds. So what is the answer here? What is the answer here? So first one, 3 sigma carbon-carbon sigma bond, but here it is only 1, and 3 pi carbon-carbon bond. Carbon-carbon bond has 2 pi bonds only, and 2 sigma carbon-carbon bond and 2 sigma bonds. So 1 sigma carbon-carbon and 2 pi carbon-carbon bonds. So here it has only 1 pi and 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. So what is the answer here? It is 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds between the carbon-carbon atoms. So the fourth one is the answer here. So I have drawn the structure here. In structure you come to know that it is sigma bond, it is pi bond, it is pi bond. And only he asked about carbon-carbon, not carbon and hydrogen. If we asked carbon and hydrogen, again it is sigma bond, and he asked again here, it is sigma bond. So only that is the cylindrical shape of alkyne is due to 3 carbon-carbon only. So it is the answer here. It is the cylindrical shape, means linear. Then the carbon atoms in the compound CN4 twice, CN4, C2 are sp and sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, sp hybridized, sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridized. Look here, this compound should be written openly. So you have to write the structure, then only you come to know the bonds, hybridization and type of sigma and pi bonds. So look here, I will write here open CN4 C2. First you write that is a carbon. Look here students, carbon, and here it has CN4. CN4 means I will write here C triple bond N, and here also I will write C triple bond N, C triple bond N, C triple bond N, and here valency is not satisfied, I will write a double bond here. Look here students, C2 1 2, C2 1 2, and CN4 1 CN, 1 CN, 2 CN, 3 CN, 4 CN. And then you know that if the single bond is there between the carbon or carbon, that is nitrogen, single bond is there, then it is sp3. If double bond is there, then it is sp2, and if triple bond is there, then it is sp. Look here, what is the type of bond here? Here the type of bond is sp, carbon nitrogen triple bond, and this carbon sp2, and again here it is sp, and again here it is sp, and here it is sp. Look here. So here what is the answer? So sp, 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 sp2, and then it is sp. So here it is triple bond, all the triple bonds are having sp and all the double bonds are having sp2. So therefore the answer is sp and sp2 hybridized. sp and sp2 hybridized. The carbon atoms in the compound CN4C2 are sp and sp2 hybridized. Look here students, it is the answer. And then the next, that is here, so in your material, so the same number questions are given. Look here, the ratio of the number of sp, sp2 and sp3 orbitals in the compound is, ratio of the number of sp and sp2 and sp3 orbitals, he asked orbitals means sp3 means s1 p3, s orbital hybridized with 3p orbital means 4 orbitals, sp2 3 orbitals, sp only 2 orbitals, 1s and 1p orbital. So look here he has given this compound. So the ratio of number of sp, sp2 and sp3 orbitals in the compound. So how to identify this? Very simple. I will write here. Look here, I will write CH3, CH double bond, CH, it is C, double bond, CH, C triple bond, C, CH3. Look here students. So what is sp3 here? Look here, it is a single bond sp3, and here this carbon and this carbon, here it is sp2, and here it is sp, because both side double bonds are there, and then again here it is sp2, and here it is sp, it is sp, it is sp3. Look here students, then what is the ratio here? sp3, sp2, sp, again sp2, and sp, sp3. So how many sp3 bonds are there? sp3 1, sp3 2. So here sp3 2 bonds are there, two are sp3 hybrid orbitals 2, and then next sp2, how many sp2 hybrid orbitals are there? 1 and 2. So I will write here 2. Then sp 1 2 3, then sp, so it is 3. Then look here students, here sp2, sorry, sp3, sp3 means how many orbitals are there? So 1s 3p. sp3 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಹಾಕವ್ರಿ? 1s ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ ವಿತ್ 3p ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್. ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ 3p ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು? 4 ಅದು. 4 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು. 4 ಅಂತವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವೆ? sp3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವೆ ಅಂತವು? 2 ಅದಾವೆ. 2 ಅದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದ ಮೇಲೆ 4 × 2 8 ಅದು. ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ 3p 4 ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಥವು 2 ಅದಾವೆ, sp3 2 ಅದಾವೆ, 4 2 8 ಅದು. 8 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು. 8 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ sp2 ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ p 2 ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ p 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅದು. 3 ಅಂಥವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3 × 2 6 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ sp 3 ಅದ. ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ 2 ಒಂದು p ಅದ ಅಂದರೆ 2 2 × 3 = 6. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟದು? 6 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡಿಲಿ, ಇದು 8 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ sp3 ಅದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ sp2 6 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 6 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sp ಅದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sp ಅದಾವೆ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇದ್ರ ರೇಷ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಇದ್ರ ರೇಷ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅನ್ನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆ ಆರ್ಡ್ರದಾಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. sp sp2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ sp3 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, sp sp2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ sp3. sp ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವಲ್ಲಿ? sp 6 ಇಷ್ಟು sp2 6 ಇಷ್ಟು sp3 8. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, sp3 8 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದು? 2ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3:3:4. 3:3:4. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 3:3:4. ಲುಕ್ ಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, sp3 ಅದ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, sp2 ಅದ, sp2 ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sp ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ CH sp2 sp ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ sp3. ಸೊ sp3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವೆ? 1 2 ಅದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಅದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅದಾವೆ sp3 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 2 8 ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ sp2 ಏನದಲ್ಲ 2 ಅದಾವೆ, ಇವು 3 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಹಾಕವು, 3 2 6 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ sp ಏನದಲ್ಲ 3 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಅದಾವೆ, 1 2 3 ಅದ. ಸೊ 3 2 6 ಅದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷ್ಯೂ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ, 3:3:4. ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Then look here, hybridization of carbon in urea. ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂರಿಯಾದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, NH2 C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O NH2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ದ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? sp2 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ. NH2 CO NH2, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಯೂರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಟ್ sp2 hybridized. Hybridization of carbon in urea is sp2. So it is urea. Then look here, the number of pi bonds and sigma bonds in the structure. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ದು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 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 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ C, ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ N, H H H H H. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ 1 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್, 2 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್, 3 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್, 5 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, 1 2 3. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ, 2 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 1 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ 1 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಇದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ 1 ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ, ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ, ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ, ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ, ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ, ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಸೊ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. ಸೊ 13 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ 5 ಅದಾವೆ, 5 ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 13 ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೋದೇನದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟದಾವೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 5, ಸೊ 13 ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Look here, for the following compound CH3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಇದು ethyl group, it is ethyl group CH2 CH3 CH2 CH3, which of the following IUPAC name is correct ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಂಡಿ ಸಮೀಪದ, this end is nearest to this and number it 1 2 3 4 5. It is called as pent. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದು? ಪೆಂಟ್ ಆತ್. I will write here pent. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಏನಿ ಪೆಂಟೇನ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅದ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಇಥೈಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 3 ಇಥೈಲ್ 2 ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಪೆಂಟೇನ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದ 3 ಇಥೈಲ್ 2 methyl pentane. So what is the answer here? So here it is the second one, 3 ethyl 2 methyl pentane. Alphabetical order, we have to follow the rules, IUPAC rules. So ಇದು answer. Then the correct IUPAC name of this compound is, look here, bond line structure. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, CH ಬರಿತೀನಿ, 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ, CH2 ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 ಅದ, CH ಬರಿತೀನಿ, CH2 ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH2, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ C, 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಏನದ ಹೆಸರು ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ C ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇದು ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಬೋತ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ನಾವು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪೆಂಟ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 EN 4 YNE 1 EN 4 YNE. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಪೆಂಟ್ 1 EN 4 YNE. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೆಂಟ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಪೆಂಟ್ 1 EN 4 YNE. So write the structure and it is very easy to you. So remember here, if you are not looking properly, it is like this. Here I have written. So it is like this. It is like this. Then okay, the IUPAC name of the compound, look here students, here it is separated and here it is ester group. It is ester group. Again the suffix is OATE. It is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. look here, and this here, if you write the structure, it is like this: CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, it is C double bond O, O, C2H5. Look here, this group is separated here, it is called as ethyl. Look here, it is ethyl, and this ethyl is attached to this group 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is called as ethyl 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, and E is replaced by OATE. Look here, this group is OATE. So it is called as ethyl butanate. So ethyl, so here it is, and for the 1, 2, here it is for second group, that is this methyl group is attached, and here it is ethyl 2-methyl butanate. Look here, where is the answer here? So ethyl 2-methyl butanate, ethyl 2-methyl butanate, ethyl 2-methyl butanate. So here this is the answer. I have written the structure here. It is ethyl group, and 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, and E is replaced by OATE, and it is called as ethyl 2-methyl butanate. These are the prefix. These are the prefix. Look here, the structure of isoprene. Isoprene is the monomer of rubber. The structure of isoprene. So isoprene means it is a monomer of rubber. So here you may directly write this one. So it is called as 2-methyl but. It is number 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called as 2-methyl but, then 1,3 di-ene. So this is the structure of isoprene. Isoprene is the monomer of rubber. Either rubber denadala monomer ada. So remember this. Either isoprene rubber, it is 2-methyl but 1,3 di-ene. So it is the structure here. Monomer of rubber. Then look here, the IUPAC name of the compound. Look here students, here carboxylic acid is there. It is 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 to carboxylic acid is having higher priority. So COH, CS2, CH, CH, double bond, CH, CS3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means it is hexane. And here for the third carbon atom, it is amino group is attached. It is amino, so it is prefix, amino prefix, and here it is a functional group. Then what is its name? Look here, I will write. First I will write this hexane. Look here, hexane, 6 carbon atoms are there. Then the fourth carbon atom has double bond, and double bond here I will write hexane 4En, and E is replaced by OIC acid, 1 OIC acid. You may write 1 or may not write 1 because the carboxylic acid stands for 1. Hex 4En, 1 oic acid, 1 oic acid, and here it is third, it is prefix 3 amino. Look here, which is the name here. So here 3 amino, hex 4En, 1 oic acid, 3 amino, hex 4En, 1 oic acid. It is the answer here, fourth one. And here also I am writing. So if any mistakes are there in the answers, so you will verify here also. So it is the answer here. Is it clear, students? Look here once again, the structure here. It is 3 amino, hex 4En, 1 oic acid. Then next one. Look here, the IUPAC name of urea. You know urea, NH2CO, NH2. Look here students, very important one. The IUPAC name of urea is, so here it is, we know that it is amide group. It is a amide group, and it is a amino group. Then what is its IUPAC? So it is amino, it is called as prefix, and here it is functional group amide. So it is called as prefix is taken first, and then this is root word and suffix. Root word is one carbon atom is there, one carbon atom, then it is, so it is root word, here it is amino meth, one carbon, and ANE, E is replaced by amide, amino methramide. So here amino methramide. So this second answer is the amino methramide. So amino methramide. Look here, you write like this, it is prefix, and here it is. Otherwise you may choose this side, any both side are same. Then look here, the number of pi electrons present in phenanthrene. So here you may make it that is a phenanthrene. So it is a phenanthrene. Phenanthrene what? So look here, phenanthrene means this one. This is a phenanthrene, and add here the pi bonds. Look here, 1, and add here 2, it is 3, and in second group you will get only 1, and then in third one you will get 1, 2, 3. Look here, how many pi electrons are there? Pi electron and pi bond is different. Pi bond, one pi bond contains 2 electron, and here it is, look here, pi, 3 pi bonds are there, means 6 electrons, and pi, here also pi, it is pi, it is pi. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 pi bonds are there, and then it contains 14 electrons. Look here, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, 14 electrons. So therefore the answer is 14. Phenanthrene, make some correction here, the structure of this phenanthrene I have written. So here it is about this phenanthrene. Is it clear? Then look here, the IUPAC name of methyl cyanide is methyl cyanide, CS3CN. Look here, so here cyanide is also functional group, nitrile. So 1, 2, so it is 1, 2, so it is called as eth, ANE, E is replaced by nitrile, ethane nitrile. So that is ethane nitrile means here it is second, so it is ethane nitrile. 1, 2, so it is ethane, eth, 2 carbon atoms are there, and CN group is here, E is replaced by nitrile, ethane nitrile. So it is the IUPAC name. Then the IUPAC name of the compound. Look here, the IUPAC name of the compound. Look here students, here I will write. So this one is cyclohexane, you know it is cyclohexane, and here it is dash means it is CS3, and here it is CS3, one line means CS3, and here it is CHO, aldehyde group, and aldehyde group is called as carbaldehyde, and here it is methane, and carbaldehyde is a functional group. Number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 means here for first that is functional group is there, and here it is 3, and it is called as 3, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So here 3, dimethyl, so 3, dimethyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So look here, the remaining answers are wrong. 1,1 dimethyl it is not, and 3,3 dimethyl 1 hydroxy group is not there, and 1,1 dimethyl 3 cyclohexanol. So it is nol. Nol means alcohol. It is here. The answer is 3,3 dimethyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So it is carbaldehyde group. So it is the IUPAC name of this compound. Here I have given how to name the compound. So that is first we have to name here 1, 2, 3 like this 4, 5, 6. Then students, the next one, the IUPAC name of, look here, a very simple compound 1, 2, 3. So it is cyanide. So it is here, it is called as propane, and 1, 2, 3. So tri, here 1, 2, 3 tri. This is nitrile group CN. It is nothing but carbonitrile. It is called as propane 1, 2, 3 tri carbonitrile. We have to add carbonitrile means carbon compound is there, carbonitrile, carbon atom is there. So here it is propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbonitrile. So look here students, it is the name of this compound. Then next one, the IUPAC name of, look here, it is very important one, and here I will write it in detail. So look here, it is, I will write CS3 CH2 C double bond CH CH3, and here I will write this, for this bond I will write look here students, here look here CS3 CH2 means C2H5. C2H5 can be written as CS3 CH2, CS3 CH2, and then C double bond CH CH3, and then this cyclopropane. So here in rule we studied, if the side chain is a multiple bond or a functional group, if the side chain, if any organic compound contains a side chain, in the side chain if it contains multiple bond or any functional group, in such cases we have to consider this alicyclic compound as substituent group. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ 1, 2 ಇದೇನದಲ್ಲ 1, 2 ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ, 1, 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್, ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್. ವೈ? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಚೈನ್ is having a multiple bond or it has a functional group, then the alicyclic compounds, or that is the cyclic compounds, are considered as a substituent. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೆಂಟ್ 5 ಅದ, ಪೆಂಟ್ 2En, ಇದು 2En ಅದ. ಸೊ ಪೆಂಟ್ 2En, ಸೊ ಪೆಂಟಿನ್ 2En ಅದ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ಮೂರನೇ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್. ಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ, 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ 2 ಪೆಂಟಿನ್ ಅದ. ಇದನ್ನು 2 ಪೆಂಟಿನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಪೆಂಟ್ 2En ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಯು ಮೇ ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಟ್ 2En, 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್, ಪೆಂಟ್ 2En ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಪೆಂಟ್ 2 ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಪೆಂಟಿನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯಿತು, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Then next, the IUPAC name of CS3 CS2 NH CS3 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಇತ್ತದ, ಇದು CH ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನದು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮಿಥೈಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಅಮೈನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ, ಎನ್ ಮಿಥೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಥೇನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೈನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಥನಮೈನ್. N-methyl ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine. The answer is the third one. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ N-methyl ethanamine ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Look here. Then next one. Look here. The IUPAC name of this compound. ಇದು ಆಗಲೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಇರ್ತದೆ, CH3 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಹೆಸರಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It is first 2 3 4 5 6. Look here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದನೇದದ, ಇದು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅದ. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅದಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೂರನೇದಕ್ಕೆ 3,3 ಡೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಅದ. 3,3 ಡೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ 1 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೆನಾಲ್. ಸೊ 3,3 ಡೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ 1 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೆನಾಲ್, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ 3,3 ಡೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ 3,3 ಡೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ 1 ಆಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3,3 ಡೈಮಿಥೈಲ್ 1 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೆನಾಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ 1 ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ 1 ಆಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೆನಾಲ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ರೈಟ್. Then the compound which has one isopropyl group. Isopropyl group ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ CH3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, 2-methyl CH2 CH3 ನೋಡಿ, 2-methyl pentane. ಇದು ಪೆಂಟೇನ್ ಅದು. 2-methyl 1 2 3 4 5 ಪೆಂಟೇನ್ ಅದು. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಸೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಸೊ 2-methyl pentane, ದ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 1 ಐಸೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. 1 ಐಸೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಐಸೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ರಾಗ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಗಳೇನದಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನದಲ್ಲ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ look here. The number and type of carbon atoms present in neopentane are. Neopentane, very simple. CH3 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 ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅದ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅದ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋದು. ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ? 1 2 3 4 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಂಥವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 4 ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅದಾವು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಟೆಟ್ರಾ ಅದ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 4 ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್. 4 ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ, 1 ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಅದ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4 ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಟರ್ಷರಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ IUPAC ನೇಮ್. ಇದು ಬಂದದ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತದ. 1 2 3 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ 1 2 3 ಟ್ರೈಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್, ಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ 1 2 3 ಟ್ರೈಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ 1 2 3 ಟ್ರೈಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಬಂದದ. Then next one. Look here. The IUPAC name again. ನೋಡಿ, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅದ. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ 1 2 3 4 5. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದದ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಗಿಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಈ ದಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ದಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಸಮ ಅದಾವ. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸಮ ಅದ ಅಂತಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇನದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾರೆ OH ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ 4 ಮಿಥೈಲ್, 1 ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ 4 ಮಿಥೈಲ್ 4 ಮಿಥೈಲ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಇದು? ಪೆಂಟೇನ್ 3 ONE. ಎಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ? 1 ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ 4 methyl pentane 3 1. So here is the answer. Here is the answer. 1 is another answer. So this is the answer. 1 hydroxy, 1 hydroxy prefix 1 2 3 4 4 methyl, 4 methyl. So third is so it is pentanone. Then a compound with molecular formula C6H4 has tertiary 2 tertiary carbon. Its IUPAC name is very simple. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ CH3 CCH3 CCH3 CH3 it is H ನೋಡಿ 2,3 dimethyl butane 2,3 dimethyl butane ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 6 ಅದಾವು 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಅದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 14 ಅದಾವು 3 3 6 9 12 13 14 ಅದ. ಸೊ ದ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 2 ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್, 1 ಟರ್ಷರಿ 2 ಟರ್ಷರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್, 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 3 1 2 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3. It is called as tertiary carbon. Is clear? Structure ಬರೆದಿನಿ. Then the IUPAC name of the compound very simple ಗೊತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸನಿಪದ 1 2 3 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡನೇದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ, ಡೈ ಇ ಎನ್ ಇ, ಬ್ಯೂಟ್ 1 2 ಡೈ ಇ ಎನ್ ಇ, bit 1 2, so bit 1 2 diene, so it is the answer here, bit 1 2 diene. I think it is clear. Then the correct IUPAC name of the compound is, look here students, the correct IUPAC name, look here, the structure is like this. It is like this. So I will write here, look here, it is CH3, CH2, then it is, here it is CH3, CH2, CH, it is again CH, double bond CH2, double bond CH2, look here, it is 1 2 3, and here it is CH2, I will write, here again it is CH2, CH2, CH3, and it is CH2, it is CH3. Look here, the compound is like this. So select longest possible continuous chain. Select longest possible continuous chain here, but the double bond is here, and we have to number from this end. 1 2 3, it is 4 5 6. You may take this type, or 1 2 3 4 5 6, both are same, 4 5 6, or 1 2 3 4 5 only. You may select 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you may select 1 2 3 4 5 6, both are same, both are same. So it is called as a hex, and one double bond is there, 1 ene, hex 1 ene, and here so you have 1 2 3. So for 3 you have, that is ethyl group, and then for 4 again you have ethyl group. Means here you have, that is for third and 4 3 4 diethyl, 3 4 diethyl hex 1 ene, 3 4 diethyl hex 1 ene. This is the answer. You have to write the structure like this. This is the ethyl group, and this is the ethyl group, and here you may take chain 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you may take 1 2 3 4 5 6, then it becomes ethyl, and it becomes ethyl. So here I have completed this CET and NEET questions. So students, if you have any doubt, you may ask me, and you have to solve few other examples. So thank you.